Hello, my name is Amy DiRienzo and I am the camp director. Welcome to the CAT Lab, which is Civil Mechanical 210 and home to many of our camp teams. Camp is a co-curricular program comprised of 14 student organizations that are preparing for a collegiate competition. Joining a camp team allows you to get your hands dirty, learn new skills, make new friends, and most importantly, have fun. It's free to join and all students are welcome. No prior experience is necessary and we have a team for everyone. If you are interested in vehicle design or racing, consider joining the Baja, Clean Snowmobile, Formula, or Super Mileage teams. If engines aren't your thing, maybe chemi car, esports, human-powered vehicle, steel bridge, or concrete canoe is for you. Prefer to have your head up in the clouds? Get to know our students in aero design, the Mines Association of Rocketeers, which is also known as MARS, or Unmanned Aerial Systems, or UAS. Interested in robotics? Our teams are out of this world. Consider joining Rocker Robotics or Moon Rockers. You can look for these teams at the Student Organization Fair, check them out on Rocker Central, or come and see us in the porch, which is Civil Mechanical 209. The CAT Lab is open from 7:30 to 4:30 Monday through Friday for you to stop by, meet the camp staff, and see all of the exciting things happening in camp. So what do you say? I think it's time you came to camp.